Seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get back. Me? No! The T128 failed? Wouldn't be the first time.
It's been a minute since I caught a failed activation.
There's no way, Jeff. How can it fail?
Somers, Wisconsin vibes for me. Do all that maintenance this year, and yet they forget once. Oh my!
How could the T128 fail?
Did you ever put that to that rush honey yet? Oh, I already had that in my thoughts. Just get out of school for nothing.
Imagine.
Those are the cancellation tones. Yeah, from here. Such a disappointment.
Whoa.
Because I think I saw up there the meter was removed. Yeah. Like, you know, like the meter reader on there is taken off in the box in the hole. So it's something.
So yeah, you think this has to do with like
What we saw back in Edgerton when we went to get the RM127.
Yeah.
There's a pretty old siren now thinking about it. I think this been around for like 10 years, but it's like, you wouldn't think the lifespan would be that bad.
Yeah. Hell, I